Look at that. This you can do. Anyone can make this cake. Today we are making a beautiful southern cake, and it is the pineapple upside down cake. And I have preheated my oven to 350 degrees. I have a 9-inch cake pan, and I am going to spray it with Baker's Joy. In this pan, we're going to put 4 tablespoons of melted butter. We're just going to pour it right in. Kind of let it go around. Then we're just going to sprinkle it with half a cup of brown sugar. And that was packed brown sugar. I'm going to take sliced pineapple. We're going to drain the juices. And do not throw those juices away. We're going to use them. We're going to take out our pineapple. We're going to dry them off because we don't want that moisture on our pineapple. And we're just going to start layering our pineapple. And we kind of want them to touch. And that way that'll give us more room. We're going to put one right in the center. Put a cherry right in. I'm going to put a cherry in each pineapple. Doesn't that look beautiful? This is a beautiful cake. Now we're going to put this in the refrigerator, and while we mix up our cake batter. We're going to be using cake flour for this, and we need 1.5 cups. And so I'm just going to do my dry ingredients right in this measuring cup. I really find that this cake, you need cake flour. Okay. We need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. We're just going to put it right in here with our dry ingredients. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And as I always say, salt brings out the flavor. And 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Baking soda. Baking soda. We're just going to mix this. We're going to set it to the side. Now we're going to get into our wet ingredients. Okay, so our wet ingredients, we need 3/4 cup of sugar. We need 6 tablespoons of butter at room temperature. Okay, now we're going to use 1/3 cup of sour cream. This makes a very good cake. Okay, just put that right in. Okay, so we need 2 egg whites, and I'm going to use my egg separator that one of you wonderful viewers sent me. I do not waste my egg yolks. My little doggie loves eggs, so I make her an egg. Okay, so we're going to put in 2 egg whites. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now we need 2 tablespoons of milk. Now we need 1/4 cup of pineapple juice. I'm just using that pineapple juice. I'm just using the pineapple juice that we got from the pineapples. Okay, we're just going to start mixing it. So now we're going to start pouring in our dry ingredients just a little bit at a time. Okay, we're going to scrape down our bowl a little bit. Okay, that's it. We're going to pour our cake batter right on top of our pineapple and cherries. Okay guys, we are going to use a cake strip for this cake. And what the cake strips do, I'm going to have to open a new pack because I can't find my cake strips. I put them somewhere, don't know where, so we're going to use a new one. And cake strips level out your cake and it's just beautiful. But we wet these and put them around our cake pan and stick them right in the oven. We just stick it right around, and there's little hooks on them, and they are listed in my Amazon store in the description box. So this pan does not fit on a sheet pan, so I'm just going to turn the sheet pan over and put it on there just like that. Great tip. And the reason I do that is I do not want the bottom of my cake to be too dark. Don't like it at all. And about the last 20 minutes, I'm gonna put a cover on it because we don't want our top of our cake to get too dark. It goes in the oven for about 45 minutes, but the last 20, we're gonna put a cover on it depending on how brown it is. All right, so let's get this in the oven, 350 degrees. Now we're going to cover our pineapple upside down cake. I'm just going to use this because it won't mess up. I always lay this right on top because it won't mess up my cake if it's rising at all. Okay guys, we are going to get our pineapple upside down cake out of the oven and see what it looks like. Wow, look at that. Wow. All right, we're gonna let this sit for about 4 or 5 minutes and we'll come and turn it out. Okay guys, we have let this cool a little bit and we are going to turn it over. Oh, I heard it fall. This is our gorgeous pineapple upside down cake. Look at that. This you can do. Anyone can make this cake. Okay, we're trying this cake. Look at that. Look how fluffy that cake is. Let's try this cake. This is so moist and tender. You will love, love, love this cake. Say thank you guys for watching, for commenting, for coming into my kitchen with me. You guys are the best audience on YouTube. You guys, thank you for all your encouraging comments, for watching. I just can't believe it. We just hit 80,000 subscribers today. I'm blown away. You guys blow me away. I just can't believe it. I want to say thank you for all you new people who subscribe. Welcome. You are welcome here. We are a loving family. You are welcome in my kitchen. I want to say thank you for everyone who has watched since the beginning and who continue to watch from the day you join. You guys, or if you watch just when you can, you guys mean the world to me. You are my YouTube channel. Without you, there is no channel. You guys go have a wonderful, wonderful day.